Take a look at this channel, 85,000 subscribers. But look at this video, 34 million views in just 2 months. These aren't Hollywood studios, these are normal people just like you using AI. And the best part? This entire video was made in about 30 minutes a day. But here is the ugly truth that nobody talks about. When you tried to make one of these videos, you got 50 views, maybe 100, mostly from your mom. You spent hours rendering, you used the same overplayed background music and the images, but they just didn't look right. Most people fail because they spend 3 hours obsessing over the perfect first image, but they have zero plan for image number 2. The building changes style, the lighting shifts, the landscaping completely disappears, and the final video looks like a glitchy, disjointed mess. That is what we call AI slop, and trust me, YouTube hates it. In this video, we're not just making a time-lapse. We are reverse engineering the exact workflow that is bringing channels millions of views. From ideation, to image generation, to video animation, editing, and sound design. No fluff, no rendering overnight, just results. Let's get into it. First step, we are not going to stare at a blank page wondering what to build. We are going to let AI do the heavy lifting. I have a secret prompt. This is a custom instruction set I built after months of testing. It forces the AI to think like a producer, not just a writer. I'm going to send it into ChatGPT. Then I just type one word. Start. Watch what happens. The AI analyzes the request and immediately gives me a list of 10 project ideas: luxury mansion, bungalow, resort villa, skyscraper, and more. For this video, I will choose resort villa, so I'm going to type the number 7. Now, watch this. The AI doesn't just give me a prompt, it breaks the entire process down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Context confirmation, making sure we understand the vibe. Step 2. 6 perfectly consistent image prompts. Step 3. The image-to-video generation prompts. This is the power of a structured workflow. If you want this secret prompt to copy and paste for yourself, just comment the word secret prompt down below, and I will send it to you. Alright, we have our prompts. Let's head over to Google Flow. I'll put the link in the description. Once you're in, click New Project. Now, here is the best part about this platform for beginners. Image generation costs 0 credits. You can generate as many images as you want for free. Set your aspect ratio to portrait. Set the number of images per generation. I usually do 2, so I have options. And for the model, I like Nano Banana Pro. It handles architecture really well. Now, go back to your ChatGPT list. Copy the exact prompt for image 1, paste it into Google Flow, and hit Enter. In a few seconds, you have your first frame. If you don't like it, just regenerate. Once you find the one, here is the pro tip. Delete the other unnecessary images. Keep it clean. If you want to be a professional, you have to start acting like one. Alright, here is where most people lose visual consistency. And it's subtle, so they never realize what broke. After you generate image 1, do not start a new project. Just click on the existing image and paste in the prompt for image 2. Generate. Then click again, paste the prompt for image 3. Repeat this method for all 6 images. By doing this, you force the AI to maintain environmental consistency. Same lighting direction, same camera angle, same surrounding landscape. Without this method, the AI shifts perspective between every scene. The sky changes color, the terrain angle shifts, the building proportions warp. With this method, the build feels like it's actually happening in the same location across time. And that is what separates a viral video from AI slop. All 6 images are now locked in. Now we need to make them alive. Head back to Google Flow, switch from image generation to video generation. Select Frames mode. Keep the aspect ratio on portrait. Set the number of videos per generation. I usually stick to 1 to prove the quality. And for the model, select VO 3.1 fast. Here is the workflow. For the start frame slot, upload image 1. For the end frame slot, upload image 2. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for clip 1, paste it in, and hit Generate. The generation takes about 30 to 40 seconds per clip, but here is what you need to watch for. Motion smoothness. If the worker movement looks unnatural, or if machinery jumps instead of operating fluidly, the prompt needs a slight refinement. But if the motion feels gradual and the transition between frames is seamless, the clip is locked. Then we repeat. Image 2 in the start slot, image 3 in the end slot. Paste video prompt number 2. Generate. Same with the image 3 to image 4. Generate. Do this for all transitions. Once each clip is done, download them and organize them in a folder named by scene number. Trust me, this saves time in the edit. Now we edit. And here is the philosophy. Do not overcomplicate it. Our clips already look natural. They don't have that jerky AI slop feeling. So we are just polishing. Import all your clips into CapCut. Place them one after another in order. Watch through once. If there are any noticeable generation mistakes, a flicker, a glitch, just razor blade them out. Mute every single clip. AI-generated video often has weird background hums. We don't want that. Now, for the sound, this is 50% of the vibe. If you don't have music, head over to the YouTube audio library. It's free and copyright safe. I'm using a track called After Sunset. Drag the music in, align it with the visuals. Give everything one final watch through. Make sure the music fades out nicely at the end. Then hit Export. What you just watched is one repeatable workflow, from a blank ChatGPT tab to a finished viral-style building time-lapse, using tools that are completely free and a method that takes under an hour. This is how normal people are getting millions of views, not because they're geniuses, because they have a system. If you want that secret prompt to start your own system, comment secret prompt below and I'll send it your way. Like this video if it helped you and subscribe if you want to master AI video creation. I'll see you in the next one.